Okay. Oh, got you. Let's work it out. Work it out. Work it out.
Fine.
A little bit more. Yeah, Mama sees the air. Get the air out. Yes, get the air out. Alright, that's a good job.
Yeah.
That's a good job. Goodness sakes. Yes, he's such a big boy. Oh, he's so big. Okay, one more. Ooh. Yeah.
Little flipper's getting long right there. Yeah. You get some meat on them wings, buddy. Yes, you are. Get some meat on the wings, buddy.
I think that's good.
Yeah, he's getting some meat on the wings. Hey, Jake. How you doing, buddy? You doing good, buddy?
Get the air out.
Give him some water.
Let's wash that face.
Watch his little nose now, honey.
Let's wash that face.
The little holes in his nose, you stop moving.
See, Daddy, we know. Yeah. Okay, just a minute. Mommy let you pump in a minute, okay? I don't want no dry food on there. No, we don't need no dry food. Give me that. Give me that.
Yeah, don't bite it.
Okay. Okay, there you go. There you go. Pumpy Bumpus. Yeah, he pumpy. We're getting strong. He's so strong.